If you're looking for clothesline installation on the Sunshine Coast area of Queensland, you've come to the right place, as Lifestyle Clotheslines handles all types of clothesline supply and installation on the Sunshine Coast area. You can find all the leading brands such as Hills Hoist and all the Hills Clotheslines, Austral, Versaline and City Living, to just name a few of the brands that we carry. Plus you can also find many accessories for your clothesline, such as things like super handy waterproof clothesline covers, which are great for harsh Queensland summers, basket holders, and also a big selection of portable indoor and outdoor clothes era models. If you need any help at all in choosing the right clothesline or washing line for your Sunshine Coast home or living situation, please feel free to give us a call today on 1300 798 779 or visit us online at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au, as we're here to help.